Welcome to FutureLens, a channel where we explore what tomorrow will look like. The world is changing faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is evolving, industries are shifting, and humanity is standing at the edge of the greatest technological revolution in history. In today's episode, we are going to look into 10 AI-driven technologies that will transform the world by 2030. Not in science fiction, not in distant imagination, but in real, measurable progress that is already happening today. If you are ready to see the near future, let's begin. Number 1. Advanced computer vision and autonomous systems. Computer vision is no longer just about recognizing faces or objects. By 2030, autonomous AI systems will navigate entire cities, run traffic flows, coordinate supply chains, and operate transportation without human supervision. Self-driving cars will only be the beginning. Drones will deliver goods. Robots will maintain roads, inspect buildings, and handle dangerous construction work. Warehouse automation will reach near-perfect efficiency. This technology will rewrite logistics, transportation, and city infrastructure. AI won't just see, it will understand. Number 2. Generative AI for content, video, and creativity. We are witnessing a new creative era. AI now writes stories, composes music, designs products, and generates full videos. Tools like Sora, Runway, Pika, Midjourney, Ideogram are the early prototypes of what will soon become standard creative assistants. By 2030, anyone will be able to produce a movie, design a game world, animate characters, or build full video narratives simply by describing them in natural language. Hollywood as a club for the elite creators will dissolve. Creativity will belong to everyone. Number 3. Personal AI agents and digital assistants. Imagine waking up and your AI already scheduled your meetings, negotiated with clients, paid your bills, ordered groceries, and edited your new video while you slept. AI agents will be more than assistants, they will be independent operators. They will browse the web, make decisions, plan business tasks, and complete multi-step operations on their own. You will not ask AI for answers. You will give it goals. Number 4. Bioengineering, DNA editing, and CRISPR. One of the most impactful revolutions of this decade will happen inside our cells. CRISPR gene editing already allows us to cut and rewrite DNA sequences. Treatments that once seemed impossible may become routine. Inherited diseases could be removed before birth. Cancer may be treated at genetic level. Longevity could extend drastically. With AI designing biological solutions, humanity gains not just longer life, but healthier life. Number 5. Quantum computers. Quantum computing is still in its infancy, but once it matures, everything changes. Tasks that supercomputers need thousands of years to solve may be completed in seconds. This means modern encryption could become obsolete. Drug discovery and material science accelerate 100x. Weather and climate simulations reach perfect precision. AI models train millions of times faster. Quantum computing will not compete with classical computers. It will outgrow them the way lightning outgrows a candle. Number 6. Medical nanorobots and AI healthcare. Nanorobots swimming inside your bloodstream may sound like science fiction until you realize trials already exist. Tiny AI-controlled machines could target cancer cells, deliver drugs microscopically, repair tissue from inside, and monitor your body in real time like internal diagnostics. Healthcare will shift from reactive to predictive and preventative. Doctors will not only treat illness, but stop it before it begins. Number 7. The Metaverse and VR/AR workspaces. The Metaverse is not just virtual reality for gaming, it is the next evolution of the Internet. Imagine working in a digital office, attending university lectures inside a virtual lab, or meeting friends as holographic avatars. Instead of browsing information, you will enter it. AI will generate environments instantly: your workspace, your classroom, your creative stage. The boundary between physical and digital will blur, and your world will expand. Number 8. AI-optimized clean energy and fusion reactors. Energy defines civilization. Coal gave us industry. Oil gave us mobility. AI may give us limitless clean power. Fusion reactors are being developed across the world, aiming to replicate the energy of the sun here on Earth. AI is used to stabilize plasma reactions, predict failures, and accelerate research that once moved painfully slow. With fusion plus solar plus wind, controlled by intelligent power grids, energy could become nearly free. And when energy becomes abundant, everything else accelerates. Number 9. Smart cities and the Internet of Everything. Cities today are inefficient. Traffic jams, wasted electricity, broken road systems. AI will change this. Smart cities will use millions of IoT sensors to monitor roads, weather, energy, water usage, and pedestrian flow. AI will redirect cars automatically, prevent blackouts, and balance entire power grids in milliseconds. You won't feel the automation, you will live inside it. Number 10. Emotionally aware robots and companion AI. Not all robots will build bridges, some will build relationships. Companion AI will understand tone, mood, emotion. It will talk like a friend, comfort you during stress, remind you to breathe, support elderly people who live alone, help disabled individuals communicate. This may be controversial, but also revolutionary. The future of care, support, and companionship may be synthetic, but deeply human in experience. This is not distant fiction. All 10 of these technologies exist right now, early, imperfect, but real. The future is not coming. The future is already here. And over the next 5 years, it will reshape everything we know, from medicine to creativity to the cities we live in. If you want to continue exploring the next era of intelligence, subscribe to FutureLens. Like the video, leave a comment, and tell me which technology excites you the most. Your interaction helps this channel grow and allows us to continue diving deeper into the unknown. This is FutureLens. Thanks for watching, and welcome to tomorrow.